Hey YouTube, we are here with, finally, breaking 2 boxes of '07 Bowman Sterling Baseball. Here we go with box 1. We've got a few folks in blog here. We've got 38 hits. I want to leave the box toppers for the end. Here we go with pack 1. Good luck to everybody that's in. For the Dodgers, an Abreu base rookie. For the Cubs, a Sam Fuld base rookie. So for the Twins, Eric Liss auto. It's not a refractor. It's always hard to see the refractors on here. For the Brewers, a Cole Gillespie auto. That is a refractor, numbered to 199. And then for the Yankees, an Alex Rodriguez bat. Box 2. Starting off for the Diamondbacks, Miguel Montero, base rookie. Sorry about the glare, guys. Next up for the Mariners, a Brian LaHair, rookie auto. Nice trade for the win. That is not a refractor. Next up for the Padres, Chase Headley, rookie auto. For the Marlins, looks like a refractor it is, numbered to 199. Dontrell Willis, jersey. And finishing up for the Rockies, Greg Reynolds, base rookie. Pack 3. Still looking for one of the big ones. For the Braves, Jojo Reyes, refractor, base rookie. That is numbered to 199 again. For the Blue Jays, Brandon McGee, rookie auto. Regular. For the Boston Red Sox, Nick Hagedorn, rookie auto. For the Giants, Barry Bonds, jersey. I didn't even know he was in this. And for the Diamondbacks, an Ed Easley, base rookie. How much time do we got? Oh, we got time. Alright, here we go. Hope this picks up a little bit. There's one side that's easy to open and the other side that's not. For the Astros, Hunter Pence, base rookie. Nice. For the Rays, David Price, rookie auto. That's a nice one. That goes to Poker Chris. It's not a refractor. For the Cardinals, Mike Parisi, rookie auto. For the Blue Jays, good grief, an Alex Rios jersey. And finally for the Mets, Mike Devaney, base rookie. It's not bad with the David Price. I think that book's at 80. For the Yankees, Phil Hughes, refractor, rookie to 199. For the Rockies, Casey Weathers, rookie auto. For the White Sox, Aaron Pareda, rookie auto. For the Red Sox, Tim Wakefield, jersey. Finally for the Angels, Rich Thompson, base. Alright, last pack. And then we have the box toppers. Box 1. Hopefully end this with something real nice. For the Indians, Ben Francisco, base. I think he's now a Philly after today. For the Red Sox, Ty Whedon, rookie auto. For the Reds, Homer Bailey, rookie auto. And for the Giants, Brian Bocock, prospect jersey auto. Haven't heard of him. And then for the Rockies, a Brandon Hynek, base. Alright, we have our 2 Alex Rodriguez cards. $474 and $460. If anyone collects those, you can have them. And then this is box loader, sequentially numbered box loader. Looks like a black refractor for the Houston Astros. Thomas Fairchild, number 12 of 25.